Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must be an administrator. Open an Elevated PowerShell or CMD now. Once done, open Services. MSC to find the Windows Defender Firewall service immediately. Make sure to note recent configuration changes or create a restore point because restarting services can surface dependency issues. You'll start by locating the service entry, checking its current state, and preparing to stop it. This first move isolates the process and prevents abrupt network changes. Now stop the Windows Defender Firewall service using Services. MSC or NET stop MPSSVC in an elevated prompt. You'll see dependent services prompt if any are active. Once stopped, check and restart the base filtering engine. This dependency often causes failures, so run net stop BFE then net start BFE if required. After dependencies are healthy, start the firewall service using Services. MSC or NET start MPSSVC. Make sure to observe status messages and event viewer logs for immediate errors. Finish by verifying the service is running via Services. MSC or SC query, MPSSVC. You should also open Windows Security and test a known allowed app to confirm rules apply. If something still fails, check Event Viewer for MPSSVC or BFE errors to find the why. As a recovery step, make sure to try Netched Firewall, reset to restore default rules, and reboot if logs show persistent dependency faults. This often resolves lingering configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.